wish list. God told me Cardi B and Offset. Offset gonna put it on. Moneybagg and Ari. No, they gonna put it on. Candy and Todd. T.I. and Tiny. Ray J gotta be in the building. That's my boy. Machine Gun Kelly and Megan Fox. Snoop Dogg and his wife. It's an adult prom, man. P. Diddy. Bring Young Miami fine ass. I've been seeing pictures. I don't know what's really, but I've been seeing pictures. Ain't too many city girls been to prom. Steve Harvey. Mr. Put it on. If you can't be in the building, send one of your suits, man. Send me a stylist. Okay? It's going down. Adult motherfucking prom. 2 Chainz and his wife. We finna put this shit on. I'm trying to have Usher come through that bitch skating. Huh? I ain't finished. Meek Mill. Wake up, nigga. I need you at the adult prom, nigga. I want you to pull up with a bitch on the back of the motorbike, man. Legendary shit, man. All kind of shit coming to my head this morning. Trouble, get up, nigga. How many snacks you coming with on your arm, nigga? Yeah, show out, nigga. Show out, nigga. Adult prom, nigga. Ja Morant. I need you in the building, Ja, bro. I need you in the building, man. Lil Baby, man. You know, come on, man. You know you got the city, man. You know who the city belong to, man. I need you in the building, man. You ain't in there sinless said, man. Send somebody, man. We need the 4P up in the fucking building. This bitch going viral. Watch this. I ain't finished. Got a couple more, my boo. Say I'm tripping. Jada Waiter. Yeah. And her best friend, Desert DR. Come shut this bitch down. Lil Duval. Come shut this bitch down, man. You say I ain't tell you about the premiere. It's your time to put that shit on and shut this bitch down, man. Who else I had said? Portia and Africa. I need Portia and Africa to come in that bitch and shut it down. Yeah, this is an adult prom. Light Skin Keisha and Kirko Bango. Come shut this bitch down. And Mulatto, please. Mulatto, please. Mulatto! Come fuck with your dog, man. You and your nigga come shut this bitch down, man. Pop out, man. Drake, I need you in the prom, man. I need you in the prom, Drake, man. Keisha Cole and A.B. I need you in the prom, man. If it's official, come to the prom, man. You heard me? Who else I had, man? Who?
Killer P, man.
Oh, no, shit, no. Kanye West. I need you in the prom, man. Pull up in that tank, nigga. Make it legendary. Pull up in that tank, man. Big Sean, yeah, Big Sean. And the girl who can sing. Yeah. Suki, I need you in the prom, man. You ain't been a... I got a couple more. This is the last one, I swear. Desi Banks. My nigga gotta be in the building, dog. Straight up, bro. The whole 85 South Show. I need y'all in the building, man. Papoose and Remy, man. I need y'all in the building, man. OT Genesis. My nigga be putting that shit. My nigga be clean. I need you in the building, man. Rick Ross. Pull up in the fire truck, man. Pull up in the F1, man. Yeah, it's going down, man. It's an adult prom, man. I need everybody to come put that shit on. Who gonna be prom king and prom queen? A badass high. And last but not least, my greatest invitation goes to Barack and Michelle Obama. And it's that clock.